Welcome to Let Me Fix This. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to make a game like Pizza Tower. First, you must deeply understand the core mechanics that define its unique feel. This includes mastering high-speed movement and momentum-based physics, which are crucial for player engagement. Next, focus on developing a distinct, expressive art style that not only looks good, but also enhances the gameplay experience. Finally, design levels that encourage exploration and offer high replayability, ensuring players return for more. To truly capture the essence, mastering dynamic movement and physics is paramount. You'll need to implement a robust physics engine that allows for incredibly fluid character movement. Prioritize high acceleration, a fast top speed, and precise air control to give players full command. Incorporate unique abilities such as wall running, super jumps, and powerful dashes. Every player action must feel impactful and responsive, providing immediate feedback and a sense of mastery. The visual identity and level structure are equally vital for a game like this. Develop a distinct, hand-drawn, and highly animated visual style that brings characters and environments to life. Design nonlinear levels featuring multiple paths, hidden secrets, and plenty of collectibles. Integrate time-based challenges and thrilling escape sequences to keep the tension high. Use environmental storytelling effectively to guide and engage players throughout their journey. Finally, focus on refining the core gameplay loop and adding a high level of polish. Implement a robust combo system that rewards continuous, fast-paced action and skillful play. Design diverse enemies and challenging bosses that require varied strategies to overcome. Ensure satisfying sound design and impactful visual effects enhance every interaction. Iterate extensively on controls and the overall player experience, aiming for a seamless and highly enjoyable game.
Thanks for watching. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe.